everyone, welcome to Sign With Me. Today we're going to go over our farm animals. Farm animals. What animals can you think of that live on a farm? I think of a cow. This is the sign for cow. Can you think of what colors cows are? Cows can be black and white, black and white, and there are some cows that are brown. Brown. Cow. What else can you think of when you think of cow? Cows produce milk. Milk. What other animals live on a farm? A pig. A pig lives on a farm. Pigs are pink. Do you remember that sign for pink? Pink. Pigs are pink. Another animal that lives on a farm is a sheep. Take your hand and shave it. It's like shaving the wool off of a sheep. A sheep can live on a farm too. How many sheep do you see? Can we count them together? Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Do you remember the number 6 in sign language? 6. What other animals live on a farm? A horse. A horse lives on a farm. What color are horses? Brown, black, and white. Horses are brown, black, and white. What kind of birds live on a farm? A duck lives on a farm. A duck. What sound does a duck make? Quack, quack, quack. Some farms also have dogs. Dogs can live on a farm too. There was a farmer had a dog and Bingo was his name. Oh, B-I-N-G-O, 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 and Bingo was his name. Oh, there was a farmer had a dog and Bingo was his name. Oh, I-N-G-O, 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 and Bingo was his name. Oh, there was a farmer had a dog and Bingo was his name. Oh, N-G-O, 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 and Bingo was his name. Oh, there was a farmer had a dog and Bingo was his name. Oh, G-O, 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 and Bingo was his name. Oh, there was a farmer had a dog and Bingo was his name. Oh, 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 and Bingo was his name. Oh, there was a farmer had a dog and Bingo was his name. Oh, and Bingo was his name. Oh. Another animal that lives on a farm is a chicken. It's similar to the duck sign, but you just do your 2 fingers. Chicken. Cluck, cluck, cluck goes the chicken. What do chickens do? They lay eggs. Chickens lay eggs. Do you see the mother chicken with her eggs? How many eggs can you count? Let's do it together. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Great job! 5 eggs. Let's say that in sign language. The chicken has 5 eggs. Another animal that lives on a farm is a cat. A cat. The sign for cat is like pulling the whiskers. Cat. What other animal can you think of that lives on a farm? I think of goat. Goat. It's like taking the horns. Goat and going up. How many goats do you see? Let's count them together. Are you ready? 1, 2, and 3. Show me 3 in sign language. Great job. Let's sing Old MacDonald. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a cow, E-I-E-I-O. With a moo-moo here and a moo-moo there. Here a moo, there a moo, everywhere a moo-moo. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a pig, E-I-E-I-O. With an oink oink here and an oink oink there. Here an oink, there an oink, everywhere an oink oink. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a chicken, E-I-E-I-O. With a cluck cluck here and a cluck cluck there. Here a cluck, there a cluck, everywhere a cluck cluck. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. You guys did great today learning your farm animals. Let's do a review. Cow, cow. Pig, pig. Sheep, sheep. Horse, horse. Duck, duck. Dog, dog. Chicken, chicken. Cat, cat. And goat, goat. You guys did amazing today. I'll see you later. Bye-bye.